Let's together promote the golden era of judging. No one tells you this, but the real judicial services journey is an emotional one. It's not just the bare acts, the case laws, the current affairs, and essays. It's the long hours, the constant practice, the mental pressure, the setbacks, and the failures. Well, I'm Mrs. Kritika Singh. It's been over a decade when I started with this journey to establish a platform with a transformative approach and help students to crack judicial services with personal growth. So if you are a struggling aspirant, you must attend my 2-day learning program where I will walk you hand in hand to overcome exam anxiety and mental pressure and crack not only judicial services exam but any other law-related exam. And in the process of becoming a judge, you will also learn how to grow personally. On the day 1, we will be covering how and when to start the preparation for judicial services, followed by simple methods to cover the vast syllabus. On the day 2, we will be covering answer writing templates for mains examination, followed by how to handle the exam anxiety, the panic attacks and mental pressure via inner circle call. So to register, click on the link below. I will see you in my session.